Hey, welcome back to Legal Clarity, the channel that breaks down complex legal and financial topics into plain English. I'm your host, and today we're talking about the 5 biggest estate planning mistakes that people in their 40s make every single day. If you're between 35 and 55, this video could save your family thousands of dollars and years of stress. Let's get into it.
Mistake number 1, having no will at all. This is the most common mistake and the most dangerous. According to recent surveys, over 60% of American adults have no will. None. Zero. And most of them are in their 40s, exactly the age when they have the most to lose. A house, a career, kids, savings. If you die without a will, the state decides everything. Who gets your money? Who raises your children? Who manages your estate? We covered exactly what happens in our first video, and it is not pretty. A basic will take less than an hour to create online. There's no excuse not to have one. Mistake number 2, not updating your beneficiaries. This one destroys families silently. Here's how it happens. You open a life insurance policy at 28. You name your college girlfriend as beneficiary. You break up. You get married. You have kids. You forget to update the beneficiary. You die at 44, and your ex-girlfriend gets everything. Legally, automatically, with no way to stop it. Beneficiary designations on life insurance, retirement accounts, and bank accounts override your will completely. It doesn't matter what your will says, the beneficiary form wins every time. Check your beneficiaries today, not tomorrow. Today. Mistake number 3. Forgetting about digital assets. This is the mistake that nobody talked about 10 years ago, but is now one of the biggest issues in estate planning. What happens to your cryptocurrency when you die? Your online bank accounts, your PayPal balance, your Amazon account with a stored credit card, your social media profiles. If your family doesn't have your passwords and your estate plan doesn't mention digital assets, they could lose access to thousands of dollars forever. Create a digital asset inventory. List every account, every password, every crypto wallet. Store it securely, and make sure your executor knows where to find it. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong executor. Your executor is the person who manages your estate after you die. They pay your debts, file your taxes, distribute your assets, and deal with the courts. Most people choose their oldest child or their closest friend without thinking it through. But being an executor is a serious legal and financial responsibility that can take months or even years. Ask yourself, does this person have the time, the financial knowledge, the emotional strength to handle this while grieving? And most importantly, will choosing this person create conflict with other family members? Choose wisely. And always ask the person first before naming them. Mistake number 5, not planning for incapacity. Most people think estate planning is only about what happens when you die. It's not. What happens if you have a stroke at 47 and can't make decisions for yourself? Who pays your bills? Who makes your medical decisions? Who manages your business? Without a durable power of attorney and a healthcare directive, nobody can legally act on your behalf. Your family would need to go to court to get guardianship over you. A process that costs thousands of dollars and takes months. 2 simple documents, a financial power of attorney and a healthcare directive, solve this completely. And they cost almost nothing to create.
And that's a wrap on today's video. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We're covering how your digital assets, your crypto, your online accounts, your social media, what happens to all of that when you die? You don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.